How to redeem code in COD mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can redeem your code in Call of Duty mobile, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. No, we're not going to redeem our code using the Call of Duty game, but we're going to redeem our code using the web browser so that everybody can do it. If you're not being able to find the option within the application, that's because it simply does not exist. You have to go ahead and redeem your code from your browser. So what you have to do is make sure you have your user ID of your Call of Duty mobile with you. I'll also show you how you can find a user ID in the later section of this video. Now what you have to do is just go ahead and open up any of the browser that you have. In my case, I just opened my favorite browser, Chrome, and as I do that, in the URL box you just have to go to callofdutymobile.com/redemption. So just go to callofduty.com/redemption. I'll also make sure to leave a direct link down in the description box. Once you go to callofduty.com/redemption, this is the official page of redeeming your gift card or any type of codes that you have for your COD mobile. It's not a third-party website. This is actually powered by official Call of Duty mobile themselves, so you do not have to worry about your redeem card being actually leaked or anything else. Now once you go to the redemption center, you'll obviously see this is how it is going to look like. So here you can see user ID. First, if you don't know what a user ID is, as I said earlier, you can just tap on this question mark icon over here and you can see enter your redemption code and Call of Duty mobile UID to collect your reward in the game. How to find a UID? Of course, once you log into Call of Duty mobile, tap on their user ID icon on the top left, and here you'll find the option called user ID, and just there you'll be able to find a little ID which is a series of letters and numbers. You have to make sure to have that with you, because if you enter an incorrect user ID, whatever type of code you redeem is going to be redeemed to another person's account. So you have to be very careful on this one. And after you do that, the next step is to definitely enter our redeem code. So you could have a physical gift card, you could have an e-gift card or anything else, or anyhow just copy and paste the code over here. Make sure all of the digits are entered correctly, and the third step is to simply verify the captcha. Now this is done just to avoid bots and spam bots that actually crawl across the internet. This is done just to make the website more secure as well. So there's really nothing to worry about. Just make sure to enter the captcha properly and tap on the submit button. If your details are correct, everything relating to that gift card is going to be redeemed to your Call of Duty mobile account, as long as the UID is correct. And that's all it takes to redeem your user ID on Call of Duty mobile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.